G'day, hi, it's Steve here and Stu from Terra, and today we're going to talk about Solsteer, which is, it's not a new product to Australia, but it's a product that allows farmers to get a lot more out of their mixed fleet and their tractors and different types of tractors in steering. So let's ask Stu the big question. Stu, what is Solsteer going to do for me if I own a John Deere tractor and I own a New Holland?
So what it basically comes down to is there's lots of different types of steering systems on the market, but there's a lot of customers out there who are very familiar with the John Deere solution.
Right.
There's a lot of customers out there who only drive John Deeres, and so they won't be familiar with any other system. But there's also customers who are very familiar with the John Deere steering, but then they've got a tractor or a sprayer or a combine of a different brand.
Right.
So those customers, once they've got used to the John Deere steering, they want to keep using the John Deere steering.
Yeah.
So that's what Solsteer does. Solsteer is basically a converter system that takes your non-green tractor and allows it to be steered by a John Deere steering.
Okay, so we're telling the tractor it's a green tractor when it's not.
That's pretty much what it comes down to.
Yeah, that's great.
And the benefit of that is one, you don't have to learn new systems for every tractor that you hop into.
Yep.
Secondly, the John Deere tech is awesome to begin with, so it does a great job. Thirdly is that you get to use the exact same guidance lines that you use with your John Deere tractors on, say, your JCB or your Fendt or your CNH or your AGCO. That's the benefit that the Solsteer gives you.